Should we recreate that? What, steal our person's video idea? Oh, how creative. Oh, come on, we've been doing that for loads of videos, I mean. Loads of videos is a little exaggerated, don't you think? Why? We got like 15 videos. Over 3 years. Making software projects is hard. Plus having to make a video about it. Come on, if we had more projects we could make more than enough videos. Enough? For what? Enough for our depression to not bully us. You got no project idea either. Well, no, but who said that every video has to be about a project? I am listening. Just look at that guy. Is he showing projects? No. Or these other people making sketches or joke videos. Yeah, but this whole channel has been made to show AI projects. And yet, we have some videos that are not about AI stuff. One is about the wallpaper, two actually. One is outtakes, man, the first one was about a virtual avatar. And there's a 3D modeling timeless. This channel wasn't made to just show AI projects. It was made to show whatever stuff we feel like. And you think our facility could make these kind of videos? Sure! Maybe instead of trying to constantly achieve a high quality production level with huge AI projects, we could lower our standards a little and stop pushing ourselves to unrealistic goals and aim for more realistic things. Like little projects, little fun things, sketch videos, whatever works out. Yeah, I just feel like, 3 years, 15 videos, that's like 5 videos a year. Which is like 1 video every 2.5 months. That doesn't sound too bad actually. Considering we have other things to do aside from these videos. We have now our things to do. Besides, most of these videos have been made in the first 2 years. The past year was a disappointment. You really are a pessimist. But not a bad therapist. I just spent some time thinking. And eventually realized the goals of this facility are set way too high. And it's killing the whole core. I mean, he is way too stubborn about his plans anyway. Oh, you want to tell him that to the face? Of course not, I'm not crazy. Yes, you are. You destroyed the chair, left the facility, broke into a bank, went to jail, and killed the mini track lab. That's why you're being decommissioned in the first place. Oh yeah.